So we're gonna set the angle 0 with the gun. Computer is there. That's my helper right there. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so you're gonna put the key in there and just turn one thing. Turn. Yep, now leave it there. See, the noise is gone. Now when I say go, you turn and hold, okay? Turn and hold for a bit. So yes, that, but you gotta keep holding, okay? So wait. Alright, so let me connect this. Wait for me, okay? So we got here, spark settings. Here is set to 12. This trigger setup, here is 207 because that was a BMW. I'm gonna put 0. Now it's on the ECU. Now we're gonna try. So when I say stop, you stop, okay? So we're gonna see if the 0, which is TDC, is gonna align that way. TDC, not yet, not yet. All right, let's do it. Keep cranking. Yep. No, you can stop. Something in here is not very good. So I saw there 180. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna do 180 and I'm gonna burn. This goes to the ECU. Now we're gonna do again, and because I'm by myself, I'm in the dark, and we're gonna put the camera right here. We're gonna do this again. So now we're gonna start tracking between that 10 over there and the line, so I know how many degrees we're off. So I'm gonna put 15 more degrees, 195 or 196. The BMW, which is another 2JZ, was 207. This one is 196. So what I can do now, crank degrees angle. Actually, I'm gonna put this 0 and I'm gonna do this off. Okay, so for now I have nothing here and I have 196. So if I do that again, I should be able to reach 0. And here, of course, gotta be on 0 also. So let's see. Yeah, so I lost those 12 degrees. It was adding 12 degrees for cranking, and now I'm gonna add 12 degrees here. So 196 plus 12 is gonna be 208, and then burn. Now I'm gonna see if I get 0 there. I am going to go back here to 12 on cranking and then fix 10 degrees. Alright, and that's it. So car is ready to start. The only fluid that was missing, it was the power steering. I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna put some videos together, eat some stuff. It's 9 o'clock. And tomorrow morning, 9:30 my time, I'm going live. Which, probably when you see this video, it's already gone. So, check it out. And